here we are, the final result. The objective: to make a handmade present with as many recycled or reused pieces as possible. And it's for this vertical mouse. The challenge is to protect the mouse wheel, which is up on the side, and we think the solution kind of works. So, what did we use to make this solution, and what does it look like? First of all, let me show you what it is. So there's a pouch. It's a little bit of aesthetic. It contains two elements inside of it. One is this plastic thing that provides some structural stability. Hold on. Trying to do this one-handed, apologies. Okay. Structural stability. And it has this two brads. One of them is reused. The other one is new, but was in the garage. So technically, not bought within the last 5 years. So probably okay to consider it reused too. This is embroidery thread that's been in my sewing machine. Off the reel, but reused also. And this piece of plastic is from the bottom of a bag. You know those things they put them in to frame the shopping bags so that they won't collapse on you. But then they always come out. And so it came out. So I was like, okay. And so this I really like a lot, because this really does help to protect the mouse wheel, which would be right here. And then inside that, though, there is an Amazon, what happened? Oh, Amazon Prime bag that I have duct taped, cut a piece that fits the bottom of the mouse right here, and then made a wrapping area, and then taped them all together with duct tape, and then cut this top part so it would fold over. As you might imagine, it was just like, okay, measure, cut, try it out, and cut. Okay, so that's it. That's the solution. 3 components to this thing, and I would say the duct tape was new, one brad was new but older. Oh, the duct tape was kind of like not recently purchased either, so I guess 100%, not new materials. Not too shabby. It's the optical vertical mouse, Logitech.